Is it enough to spend $50 a day for 2 weeks as a Google Ads budget? The question is this, like, is it a good budget to start your ads on Google Ads with $50 a day for 2 weeks? Ideally, it's a very low budget, but again, it depends on what is your nature of business. Personally, if you ask me, I do recommend spending big budgets, and $50 a day is a very less. I usually say that $100 a day is an average budget, not a good budget. But in case if it's a big business, it's actually a big no, that I do not recommend at all to go with $50. But yeah, in some scenarios, if $50 a day budget can be useful, and that is in a local businesses. In case if you have a business like a plumber, electrician, a small restaurant, or a small cafe, small doctor clinic, something like this. In case if it's a small business, then yeah, for $50 a day is a budget through which we can start a Google Ads campaign. But in case if it's a big business, I do not recommend it at all. Why I say that I do not recommend it? Because with Google Ads, your campaign optimization plays a huge role in costing. And to optimize your campaign, you may need patience, consistency, and keep on trying new things. And you won't be able to do such things with a lower budget, because let's say if a click is of $5 and you are getting just 10 clicks in $50, there is no room to test or improve. Google will take a lot of days to understand your audience, which is why I, even for a new company, I do recommend to spend your major budget in starting days, so you get a better idea on what is working for you. So let's say if you have a budget like $50 a day for 2 weeks, it's going to be a $700. So I do suggest to spend your $500 in your first week and $200 in your next week. So this is how you can analyze on what is working well for you and what is not working well for you. Again, there is always a room for improvement, and your competitors are your best teachers. Thank you.